Welcome to a new video. In this video, we will solve a SQL interview question. The question is, find the items which was bought consecutively 3 or more times. For that, I have created a table which is called as items table. Let us query the table and then let us see the schema and then we will solve the question. So here is the table. The table is called items underscore table. The schema to create the table will be provided in the description. So it has got two columns. The first column is ID column and the second column is items column. So let us consider this table to be a transaction table corresponding to a retail store, where the ID corresponds to the sequence based on which the sales is happening, and the item is the corresponding item which was sold for that particular transaction. So for the first ID, the item sold is smartphone. Corresponding to second ID, it's laptop. Coming down, we can see that for ID 5, 6, and 7, the items sold were smartphone. And coming down again for 8, 9, 10, the items sold were t-shirt. Now we have to write a query to find the items which was bought consecutively 3 or more times. So that is the question. So in our output, we should contain smartphone, t-shirt. Let us go through the entire table once. So laptop, then chair because it is repeating 3 times continuously. Again going down, we can see that jacket. So only the items which were bought consecutively 3 times should be appearing in our output. Now let us see how to write the query for the same. So we will start with a select clause. Select. So the first column here is ID column. The second column is items. And the third column is based on the lag window function in SQL. So we will make use of the lag window function. Here we are going to use the item column as the expression for lag function. So we will use item as the expression for lag function and we will write the over clause based on ID column, that is over order by ID column in ascending order. So we do not require any partition over here, only order by clause is required. And let the column name be lag underscore item. So this is the first column. Similarly, we will create a column based on the lead function. So lead, and inside parenthesis, we will specify the expression which is item only. Now we will write the over clause based on the ID column, that is order by ID column in ascending order, close parenthesis, and let the column name be lead underscore item. Now let us execute this query before going to the next part of the query. And before writing the next part of the query, pause the video and try to understand the logic we are using to solve this question. So here when we go through the first record, that is ID corresponding to 1, we can see that the lag item is null because there is no previous item before smartphone and the lead item is laptop. Similarly, analyzing the entire result, coming down we can see that the sixth record, which is the record corresponding to ID 6, the lag item is smartphone and the lead item is smartphone, which means the item bought previously with respect to the ID 6 is smartphone and the item which was bought after ID 6 was also smartphone. From this, we can get to know that smartphone was consecutively bought 3 times. So that is the logic we are going to make use of in the next part of the query. So we will put this query inside a CTE with T1 as open and close parenthesis. Now we will write a select star from T1. And now we will write a where clause, that is where lag item equal to lead item. Lag underscore item equal lead underscore item. Now execute this query and let us see the result where the number of records will be less compared to the output we are seeing now. Execute this and now we can see that only records for which lag item and lead items are same is appearing in our result. Now we have to make use of the distinct or the group by clause to get the individual items from the result now we are seeing. So we will write a distinct items. Now execute this and we will get the items which were bought consecutively 3 times from the items table. So these are the items which were bought 3 times consecutively based on the items table. The same thing can be obtained using group by clause also. So instead of distinct, we will write a group by after the where clause. That is group by item. Execute this and we will get the same result. See, we have the same result even when using distinct item or group by item. So this is one method of solving this query. There are other methods also to solve the same query. You may try solving the question using different methods. It will help you build logic and also to learn other functions in SQL. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more. Thank you.